Assalamu alaikum. How's everyone? Today I made this chicken using the instant pot, and it's really easy. If you want to know how I made it, please stay tuned. And you can eat this with the roti or rice, salad by itself when you are on diet, and it's really easy. So to start with, I have a chicken here. Using 6 drumsticks. You can use maybe 3 chicken breasts cut up into little pieces, maybe 1 inch or something. And to start with, I'm putting 6 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of ginger paste. Come on. Half a teaspoon of all the spices, salt, red pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, haldi, turmaric, and this is fenugreek methi, dried methi, a teaspoonful. A little bit of tomato sauce. I use this Publix one. I'm gonna use maybe half of. It's 8 ounce, so maybe 4 ounce. 1 small tomato. 1 big green pepper. That's cilantro. And some olive oil. That's up to your liking. Mix it. Okay, I'm gonna cook this for 15 minutes. Close the instant pot. Now just let it sit for 5 minutes. Oh my god. It has some water. I put it on saute so the water can dry up a little bit. Okay guys, the water is not drying fast enough, so I'm gonna transfer it to the frying pan.